Hi there, this is Anastasia Hodge, aka Coach Ace. Welcome to Ace and Rich Freedom by Design, the place to come to learn how to make money online because nobody teaches digital marketing like Ace and Rich. Welcome and thank you so much for stopping by this video. If it's your first time here, be sure to comment, like, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss a beat when we go live and when we update new content, and definitely share some more tips, tricks, and trainings with you. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to increase your YouTube audience retention. I actually did a class earlier on this, and I want to share with you exactly what I shared with my class. So here we go. We're going to go to the screen and I'm going to pull up some old videos. Some of these are really old, but take a look at this video. What we're going to do is actually compare two videos, one from the past as far as what we've done 3 years ago before we even started online marketing, before we started doing video marketing. We were at a different time and a different place, and you'll see what we're going to look at as far as our analytics and metrics and see what is happening with the old video and compare it to the new videos that's ranking right now and getting lots of traffic and lots of leads. So not only that, but take a look at the retention on the newer video compared to the old video. So let's get right to it. So as you can see, this is an old video, and I've got two different videos here. This is the older one. Now this video is a video that Rich and I did back in 2016. That was when we started our own 30-day video challenge. This is when we were getting started, and like I said, we were in a different time, in a different place at that moment, and we started learning about video marketing all over again and started embarking on this challenge where we took imperfect action, created 30 videos, and we just didn't care what would happen. We just creating videos. But what happened was we started understanding a little bit more as the years went on how important it is to know your metrics. So what we did was I'm going to show you the analytics. We pulled up the old video and we decided to see what was going on back in the day with this video. Was it doing good or was it doing badly? Well, let's take a look. Now inside YouTube, you have what is known as this dashboard studio, and you can see your metrics. So right here where it says analytics, you can actually scroll down here and you see, let me zoom in. You see right here where it says audience retention. Okay, do you see this score? This number here, this percentage is 36%. Now that is not really good, okay? Anything below 50% is really not good. You want to aim for a 50% and higher audience retention score. Not only that, but take a look at the minutes. This is the drop off. If you look, people only stayed as long as 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Now, I'm sure that if you knew this information, you would be able to go, wow, you know what? I didn't realize people were leaving my videos so quickly. I need to see what I could work on to improve my videos, and maybe my next video could be better than this one and my stats could be closer to 50%. So if you're looking at this right now and hear my voice, what I'm sharing with you right now is very important. Now let's go to see more. I'm going to show you a demonstration real quick. Now in this video, you're not going to be able to hear it. Possibly you can, I don't know. But I want to show you what's going to happen is down here below is the graph. Now this graph chart is going to chart exactly what happens to your viewer when they're watching this particular video. They're showing exactly what happens as far as the audience retention. Watch this. We're just going to play a little bit.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. I've been ready.
Just checking. Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Rich Gelsman. Welcome to Ace and Rich Freedom by Design. And listen guys, this is our YouTube channel that we created. We want to start answering questions because we get so many questions on a daily basis. And today's question.
Okay, so now you see this is a very important thing to recognize is what's happening and what's going on with your audience as they're watching your videos. Are they liking your videos or are they not liking your videos? What is making them drop off so quickly? Well, like I said, there's a lot of factors, and the thing is, what happens is people get bored pretty quickly. I mean, you've got anywhere between 5 seconds to make a good impression, and it better be good, right? Just like when I started this video, how I opened up and welcomed you to the video. There's a formula to doing video marketing, guys, and that's the thing you gotta understand. Now, let me go over here to the newer video, and this video here was done in 2018. And this video right now, we're ranking for the keywords. So let me show you what's going on. Let's go to analytics. And inside the analytics, as we're going to look inside to see what's going to happen with the same experiment, let's look inside. Wow, let's take a look at this. Now look at these metrics. These are different. The number is higher and the drop-off rate is still between 2 and 3, but that's not bad because it's at 56.1%. So that's a really good thing to have for audience retention. Now let's go to see more and take a look in depth. Now here's the video, and take a look as the video is playing now.
Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Rich Gelsman and welcome to Ace and Rich Freedom by Design. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the #1 problem that I found with Kartra. So what is Kartra? Kartra is a great platform that has an autoresponder, video hosting, funnel builder, different page builders, and the list goes on and on. So for instance, if you sign up for a $1 trial, you're going to get done for you campaigns, okay? You're going to get some Kartra pages you can create from scratch or use their templates. And you could also, like I said, build funnels and campaigns. And they got some done for you campaigns too as well, which is pretty cool. With Kartra Mail, you could build a list and everything and large email campaigns. And they help you understand how to launch more profitable email campaigns as well, which I think is incredible, okay? And also you could upload the video to Kartra as well. So as I go down, you also have the Kartra help desk, right? And you get that as well, which is really great. And you can build your Kartra membership site too. And there's a lot that Kartra offers, but I want to caution you for a second, okay? Because this is something I didn't see and I didn't realize that I want to share with you. Now, if you go over here.
Now, I don't know if you saw what I was doing, but I was, like I said, I was moving the graph and I wanted you to see the percentages. But something that Rich said in the video literally kept the viewer going and not dropping off. The number was staying constant. And what he did was a technique in video marketing known as, a pattern interrupt. And what he was doing was he was saying, now I want to caution you. That was the phrase he said. I want to caution you because this is something I didn't know before. He literally hooked the viewer just like that. It was like a neuro-linguistic programming type of thing. He hooked them in. Now, when you use this as a technique and you talk in your videos like that, you can keep your retention up higher. So use these strategies that I'm sharing with you as part of your video marketing strategy. So use open hooks and loops and things like that, and try to lure them in a little bit by the words that you're saying and how you're saying them. Remember, posture is everything, energy is everything. If you noticed in this video, even though you couldn't hear the video, obviously the tonality of the video was really, really low. You couldn't hear that. And I'll leave a link below this video so you can check that old one out, so that way you can hear and watch and compare it yourself, and then come back to this video and leave a comment underneath this video. I'd love to hear your feedback and tell me, what did you know as far as the differences between the video, as far as the introduction and what was talked about and how the energy levels were and that kind of thing, compared to the new video, which is this one right here, that's ranking, right? That this one is really getting a lot of rank. All right, so I hope this made sense to you because it is really, really important. And I hope this makes sense to you because the thing is, when you pull up these analytics, you want to understand the numbers, good and bad. You want to know your metrics. This is what is part about being a video marketer. It's not so much just posting a video and seeing if people will come and like it. You got to really look in depth into your video. Look at the percentages. Look at how the things are changing. Make sure you're aiming above 50% in retention, right? And then think about how many minutes people are staying on that video, because once you know that, the next video you do could make all the difference in your retention rate and also generate a lead and a possible sale. Thank you so much for stopping by this video. I know you got value from this one. I even got an aha moment just when teaching you about it. So that's pretty cool. Leave a comment below this video. Like I said, I'll leave some links here below for you. And also be sure to click the thumbs up and the notification bell in the corner so that you don't miss a beat, and subscribe to our channel so that way when we go live or when we put new video content like this, you're notified when we are on. And on top of that, if you're looking to learn how to make money online, click the link below this video for our #1 recommended program. With that being said, my name is Anastasia Hollers, better known as Coach Ace. I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.